describe my emotions right now after the show. Like, I think it was a fairy tale.
For sure, it was stressful, but really dynamic. Is a dream of every designer. So we were like super excited and motivated.
After the show started, I started to feel like I started to hear my heartbeat. It was incredible. My collection, actually, the idea was started about metaverse universe. That's why I started to create NFTs also. Then I decided to use holographic fabrics, but also I wanted to merge with something like different area. That's why I choose holographic eclecticism name. And I wanted to create like drapees in metaverse universe.
Domus Academy helped me to improve my method like a designer and to develop my idea like trend setting and researching.
My Domus Academy experience was intense. If you want to come to these schools, you need to work hard, but also you need to know you gain lots of skills, lots of friends in same areas and related areas. And Domus Academy prepared us to work in a professional environment.